I'm back today with my last DIY for this Christmas 2025. I'll be using 2 of these large balls that I got from Dollar Tree. I also have this container. It's round with a twist-off lid from Dollar Tree. I found this tray in my stash. I'll be using it on today. I pulled out my white glitter, my Mod Podge, an old steak knife with a cigarette lighter. I also have a piece of cardboard that I'll be using, and my hot glue gun on standby. So I'm cleaning up this mess so we can get started on our project. And the first thing I want to do is take this steak knife. I'll be heating up the steak knife as well as the tip of the bulb, and I want to saw it off. Now, of course, you can use a hot knife, and I do have one, but I can't find any of my things, and I think it's because my husband has been using them also. Take my Mod Podge. I have water in this cup, and I just want to add the Mod Podge in and mix it up. Then I'm going to take this mixture and I'm going to add it in each of my balls. Now I really don't want to shake it, but I want to roll it around and make sure that the inside is completely covered. And then I'll turn it upside down and let the excess run out. Now that all 3 of my balls are coated, I'm going to take my glitter piece of paper, and I'm doing this so it'll be easy to go into the hole. It will act as a funnel. Then I'll just roll it around inside my ball to ensure that the entire ball is coated with this white flake glitter. I'll do this on all 3 of my balls. I'll set them aside and let them dry. While the glitter is drying, I'm going to take this bowl because it's a little tarnished around the edge. And I'm going to take my gilding wax and I'm just going to use this tissue. And I'm going to wipe the gilding wax around the rim of this little container. And this is just to freshen it up and make it look nice again. I set the tray aside to dry, and now we're going to start on a hat. And yes, if you haven't guessed by now, we are making a snowman. So I'm taking the top of the jar, or the lid of the jar, and I'm drawing out a circle on my cardboard. Then I'll take another circle that I have that's a little bit larger. This will be the outer brim of my hat. So if you notice, I placed this circle around the outer side circle, and I tried to make sure that it was even. Now I'll take my scissors and cut it out. After my circle is cut out, I take the cardboard and I make a strip long enough to go around the cap or the lid of the jar. I then take that lid and I make another circle. This will be the top of my hat. I know it's probably not making much sense, but once I get it all drawn out, you'll see as we put it together, so keep watching. I make sure all my pieces are cut out, and then we'll be ready to assemble. I then take the long piece that I cut out, I roll it up, and this will make it pliable so that it could go around my cap. So here is my brim, all cut out, and I'll take this and I'll slide it around my lid. Now I want to cover my hat in black felt. I'll take the lid or the long piece that I cut out, and I want to cut a piece of fabric or felt to go around that. I also cut out a round piece to cover up the top of the hat, as well as a long strip to go around the brim of the hat. I have all my cardboard pieces and my fabric cut out. Now I want to start to assemble. So now I want to take the cardboard, the long strip, and I want to take it around the lid. I trim off the excess. I'm using my hot glue gun and then I use my hot glue gun to apply the felt around the brim of the hat. I then use hot glue to attach the top of the hat. I use Fix-All to attach the felt to the top of the hat, and I use hot glue to attach the felt to around the sides of the hat. My hat is complete. And now we want to start assembling the balls. Now this piece was in the middle or in the jar, so I pulled it out and I decided to use it to glue one of the Christmas balls to. So this will hold it in place. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and go around the outer rim of this and stand my ball up inside. This will give it stability so it won't move around. So I'll glue the second ball on top. Next, I have these 1/2-inch wooden plugs, and I'm going to use them for my eyes and my nose on my Santa. I'm going to take my black enamel paint with this piece of tissue, and I just want to rub it on the buttons to make them black. I'm sorry I don't have footage with me putting on the nose and the eyes. I thought my camera was on, but it wasn't. And I also took this piece of scarf. It was left over from another project. I cut it up, glued it together to make a scarf for my snowman. I also cut out this piece, and I'm going to use this for a band on my hat. Now I'll glue the third ball on top. And this is where I messed up. I really wanted to put holes in each of the balls so that I could have lights through I'm gonna get the band on the hat, but it was too late. And when I tried to pull them apart, they just wouldn't come apart. They were on that tight. So we were left with this. And of course, the tray that I trimmed in gold, it'll sit inside that to even make it more stable. I think my snowman turned out absolutely adorable. And as you can see, I had some black bling that I used for his mouth. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I did add a little bow to his hat. He is simply cute and looked really pretty in my decor. But you let me know in the comment section, what do you think? This is the last of my Christmas decor. Absolutely stunning. Now, as you know, I didn't put those holes in. I was supposed to be able to put those lights in and string them all the way down to the bottom. Put his hat back on, and the lights will hide out there. But needless to say, he's pretty without the lights. And if you're out there watching, and you're not a part of the Creative Decor family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload videos. It's so important for me to say thank you to all of my subscribers, and I don't want to forget about my viewers, those of you who are not a subscriber but still support me. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. My channel has grown so much in 2025. I want to say I love you guys to the moon and back. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Merry Christmas to you all.